Hey there, ready to crush all 4 TOEFL test sections? Well, you're in the right place. I'm here to give you game-changing tips about reading, writing, listening and speaking using the official TOEFL test study materials. Plus, there's a bonus at the end. So stick around and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss another TOEFL tip. Now, let's talk about reading. It covers 2 passages from university level textbooks. These include a mix of themes across different subjects. Don't let long passages scare you. Try out free and official TOEFL study material to build your skills with detailed feedback from the test makers. For example, you can work on your reading skills with section practice sampler from TOEFL Test Ready. You'll start feeling the improvement in your comprehension. Trust me, this works like a charm. Next up, listening. Here, you will listen to lectures and conversations similar to what you would hear in a university setting. Here's a pro tip. TOEFL listening isn't about catching every word, but grasping the key idea. Think of each lecture or conversation as a connected series and focus on the overall flow. And hey, don't freak out if the speaker's got a different accent. Whether it's British, Aussie or American, it's all about training your ears. Enroll for a masterclass with official TOEFL ETS trainers for insights and tips to ace the section. And remember, never leave your answers blank. Take an educated guess even if you're unsure. Now, the speaking section is about how well you can communicate in English in academic settings. The 4 questions are based on real-life scenarios that you might encounter in and around campus. To do well in these, speak naturally and with confidence. No more awkward pauses or stressing out mid-sentence. Here is a quick exercise. Go through the sample response available in the free TOEFL official beginner's guide. Practice via the speaking section practice sampler in TOEFL Test Ready. Do this a few times and you'll notice your fluency is on point. You can also build essential phrases and connectors to your speech so that it doesn't look like you're just reciting from a script. Easy, right? And finally, let's talk about writing. The writing section assesses your ability to write in English for academic purposes and present your ideas in a clear and well-structured way. Want a fast way to improve? Practice the writing section on TOEFL Test Ready and go through the sample responses available in the TOEFL Beginner's Guide. And here's a challenge. Practice writing without touching that delete button for 5 minutes. You'll get used to writing more confidently without overthinking every sentence. Your typing speed will also improve, so will your overall efficiency. Boom! Better writing scores, here we come. And there you have it, 4 practical tips to level up your TOEFL game. Don't forget to check the link below for more resources to ace TOEFL. Hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more tips and strategies. Let's get that dream score together. Bye!